In this video, we'll talk about digital currency and an amazing new crypto application which actually allows you to pay all of your bills with crypto using Spritz Finance. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's dive right into this video, and before we start I do want to say that all the links you will need for Spritz Finance will be down in the description. Their website itself is called spritz.finance, but I would also recommend you to actually check them out on social media as well. So here on their website, it's very easily. You can check out the About, the blog and a help center to actually get you started. And you can also, which is very exciting at this point in time, get beta access to their own app by just filling in your email address right here. And right now the app has actually launched for US residents, making it easy and secure to pay in real life bills. So with that, you should think about mortgage, credit card bills, utilities, student loans or car payments from any crypto wallet. So yes, you heard that correctly. You can actually pay for in real life bills and costs you just have every month or every time you do something. And you can now pay with crypto using whatever wallet you want using the Spritz app. So if you are a US resident, I would definitely recommend you to just check it out. Right now you can easily get beta access. Just fill in your email address right here. You will get beta access and you can actually see more. So here you can actually see what the app would look like. We're looking at the web app right now, and here you have your dashboard. So you have bills you can pay, you have the off-ramp, which we will talk about very shortly as well, different rewards, because Spritz also has different rewards coming very soon, and support, which is obviously a very important thing when using a new service like this. So now a little bit more about the off-ramp you just saw within the application, as you can see right here, because Spritz actually also offers an instant off-ramp for USD to crypto transfers to any US bank account. And you can also pay others via ACH bank transfer, which is a great way to pay rent to a landlord or other business invoices with crypto. So you can actually read more about that as well on their website. Just go to the blog and there you can see the announcing Spritz off ramp, and you can actually read what it means. So it actually lets users automatically convert to crypto on any supported blockchain to USD and send it to all the US bank accounts like I just said. So here in the article, there's also a full tutorial on actually how to use the off-ramp. So you go to the off-ramp within the application, right here at the top menu. Then what you do is you have to add your bank account and then you complete the crypto transfer. And like I said, a lot of chains are available. All different tokens and all wallets on multiple blockchains are available. And these blockchains include, for example, Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, Avalanche and the BNB chain. So what the off-ramp actually allows you to do is it allows you to save on swaps and fees by using this off-ramp directly from your DeFi wallet. So you can actually pay bills and off-ramp in one single transaction, which is saving you money as well while allowing you to pay bills which are on crypto. So if you go to spritz.finance, and again, all the links you will need will be down in the description, and you scroll down, you can actually find out some amazing other features as well, like programming your payments instantly, the off-ramp, which we just talked about, paying your bills with Spritz, which is the main thing, but also things like refreshing your finances and keeping your funds safe, which is one of the main objectives of Spritz Finance. Here you can also find out more what type of bills you can actually pay with crypto and a step-by-step guide on how to actually add the bills and make the payments. So if you still have any questions, you can also head over to spritz.finance, and again, once more, all the links you will need will be down in the description. And at the bottom of the page, you can also see the frequently asked questions, like how it works, what countries are supported, what kind of tokens you can pay with to get an extensive list, the network supported, and the fees that Spritz charges. So as I said in the beginning as well, right now, US residents can actually gain beta access to the application by just filling in your email address. So I would definitely recommend you to check that out as well. But for now, we've reached the end of this video. We talked about Spritz, we talked about all the amazing features like the off-ramp and how it actually works. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed and subscribe to our channel.